So, Apple might be preparing one of its biggest camera upgrades ever with the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro lineup, and it's already making waves in the tech world. According to a new report from ETNews, both the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a revolutionary variable aperture rear camera, something never seen before on an iPhone. This move signals Apple's next big leap in mobile photography, one that could bring DSLR-level control and versatility to your pocket. The report reveals that this new camera will replace the current main wide-angle lens and sit alongside the ultra-wide and telephoto sensors. What makes it truly special is the variable aperture technology, which allows the lens to adjust how much light reaches the sensor. In darker environments, the aperture automatically opens wider to capture more light, resulting in brighter, clearer shots. In well-lit conditions, it narrows down to prevent overexposure and preserve detail. Essentially, users will get more flexibility and improved image quality in all lighting conditions without needing to tweak settings manually. This system also enhances depth of field control, allowing photographers to decide how much of the background stays in focus compared to the subject in the foreground. That means more natural portrait effects and cinematic-style photos directly from the iPhone's native camera app. For Apple, it's not just about brighter pictures, it's about giving users professional-grade control with the simplicity iPhones are known for. Sources suggest that Apple has already started discussions with its suppliers to bring this feature to life. The main variable aperture module is expected to be manufactured by LG Innotek and Foxconn, two of Apple's longtime hardware partners. Meanwhile, the actuator, the tiny component that enables precise movement within the lens, will reportedly come from Chinese firms Luxshare ICT and Sunny Optical. These companies will play a key role in delivering the mechanical precision required for a feature this advanced. Until now, every iPhone Pro model, from the iPhone 14 Pro to the iPhone 17 Pro, has used a fixed aperture of f1.78 on its main sensor, which remains fully open at all times. Apple's upcoming variable system will mark a major first in iPhone camera design. Interestingly, Samsung tried something similar years ago with its Galaxy S9 and S10 in 2018 and 2019. However, the company eventually dropped the feature due to issues like added lens thickness and higher manufacturing costs. Apple, on the other hand, seems confident it can overcome those challenges and deliver a more refined, efficient version of the technology. The ETNews report also backs up earlier predictions from renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who hinted in late 2024 that the iPhone 18 Pro would feature a variable aperture system. If these reports hold true, Apple could once again set a new benchmark for smartphone photography. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 18 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.